Hey tech lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a lineup of cool tech gadgets that'll level up your life in 2024. Let's dive in and check out the tech that'll keep you ahead of the curve. Let's kick things off with a gadget we can all use, the Walrfid Screen Cleaner Kit. There's nothing worse than trying to enjoy your favorite content through a fingerprint-smudged screen. This kit not only cleans your screens quickly, but keeps them streak-free with its built-in cleaning solution and microfiber cloth. Now that your screen's looking spotless, it's time to talk about a gadget that'll help with those quick fixes around the house. Meet the Fanttik E1 Max electric screwdriver, your go-to tool for all those little tech repairs and DIY projects. With multiple torque settings and magnetic bits, it's got the precision to handle delicate jobs and the power to tackle tougher tasks. Plus, it's USB-C rechargeable, so it's always ready when you need it. Now that you're set for repairs, let's light up your space with something that adds a little magic. Enter the Govee curtain lights, perfect for transforming any room into a vibrant, colorful haven. These lights are smart controlled, letting you choose from countless colors and effects to set the mood, whether it's for a cozy night in or an epic party. They're even voice-activated, making it easy to switch up the vibe on the fly. With your space glowing, let's talk about a gadget that adds security and convenience to your everyday life. Next to the MEGAFEIS fingerprint padlock. Unlock it in a second with just your fingerprint, so there's no more fumbling around for keys or worrying about forgotten combinations. It's durable, weatherproof, and perfect for securing everything from gym lockers to outdoor storage. Now that your gear's locked down, let's switch gears to something a little more futuristic. If you thought keyboards couldn't get cooler, think again. The AGS Virtual Keyboard projects a laser keyboard onto any flat surface, allowing you to type anywhere, anytime. It's compact, connects via Bluetooth, and feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Perfect for travel or quick typing sessions, and it's definitely a conversation starter. But if you're looking to bring some automation to your daily routine, this next gadget's for you. No more manually opening and closing your curtains. The SwitchBot blind curtain opener automates it all, letting you control your curtains with your voice, phone, or even set a schedule. Imagine waking up to sunlight without having to lift a finger, or closing the curtains for movie night with just a command. It's the kind of convenience you never knew you needed. Speaking of convenience, let's keep things charged up with our next gadget. The Anker MagGo charging station is the ultimate multitasking charger for all your devices. It powers up your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once, while keeping your desk clutter-free. With its sleek design, it's a stylish addition to any setup, and magnetic alignment ensures a perfect fit every time. And if you're looking for more screen real estate, our next gadget's got you covered. Expand your workspace instantly with the KEFEYA laptop screen extender. It adds a second screen to your laptop, making multitasking smoother and more efficient, whether you're working, gaming, or binge watching. Lightweight and easy to attach, it's a must-have for productivity on the go. And while you're keeping things productive, let's talk about staying clean and germ-free with our next gadget. The PhoneSoap 3 is here to keep your phone bacteria-free, using UVC light to kill 99.99% of germs. It's a phone charger too, so you can sanitize and power up at the same time. With our phones being some of the germest things we touch, this gadget is a no-brainer for anyone who values cleanliness. Finally, let's wrap up with a charger that packs a punch. Say hello to the UGREEN Uno charger, your go-to travel buddy for powering up all your devices. With fast charging capabilities and a compact design, it's perfect for keeping your gadgets fully charged wherever you go. It's versatile enough to handle everything from laptops to smartphones, making it the only charger you'll need on the road. And there you have it, cool tech gadgets you should own in 2024. Which gadget are you adding to your collection? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the latest tech drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.